The average website conversion rate is about 5%. The question is, would you be happy if you ran a high street shop and 95% of the visitors that came in had a look around and then left again? I think you'd probably be doing everything you can to understand why they're leaving so that you can make it a better experience. Here at Launch, we believe the same care and attention should apply to your website. And we do this through conversion rate optimization, or CRO. And at its core, CRO is just a process. It's a process of finding the problems that exist on your website, creating solutions that address those problems, and then testing them so you can make a measurable, positive difference. If you're interested in learning more about CRO and meeting like-minded people, join us on Wednesday, the 17th of April at Watershed in Bristol, where we'll have talks from the likes of VWO, Microsoft Clarity, and Pinterest, all about how you can improve the performance of your website. There'll be a chance to ask all of your questions and learn about what's working for other similar businesses, so you can take it home and apply it to your own campaigns. Plus, there'll be pastries.